So this is the Pro Intensive Pad. This is amazing. You can put this on any part of the body where someone has pain going on, if they have bone issues, and put it right on the area. So say she has pain right here, we can just put the intensive pad in that area, and the energy, the ion cyclotron resonance will be coming from the mat, and this area will have direct energy going right to the area. If she had an issue with her knee, we could put it right at her knee. If she had a problem with her feet, a circulatory issue, a lot of diabetics, people like that will get circulatory issues in their feet. We can put the intensive pad there. If she has a headache, we can put the intensive pad right at her head. And if she has shoulder pain, right at her shoulder. If she has a stomach pain or something going on in this area, we can put the intensive pad there. The good thing about the intensive pad, if you're a practitioner, you can leave it there and you can walk away and leave it. Whereas with the probe, you typically would stand and hold it unless you propped it up with a pillow to an area.